1. Withered.
This flower is
Withered.
Oh, this flower is withered. Can we give life to flower?
Yes, we can make this flower bloom.
2. ci. 3. Again and again. 4. All of a sudden.
Hello Ariba, what is meaning of ci?
See eye to eye means agree with someone or share the same opinion.
Okay, and what about again and again?
Again and again means repeatedly. For example, it's raining again and again. Anything else?
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden, unexpectedly, it is raining unexpectedly.
5. Consoling.
Hello. This is for you. It'll be okay.
Thank you so much for consoling me. Consoling, I don't understand. Console, to give comfort or sympathy to somebody.
Okay, you're welcome.
6. Disguise.
John, she wore a mask to disguise her face at the party.
Disguise?
Meaning of a disguise, to change one's appearance or character to hide one's identity or true nature.
Oh.
7. Enthusiastic. The crowd was enthusiastic at the concert.
Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic means full of energy.
Oh ho!
Don't forget to subscribe. 8. Make out. I can't make out what is written on the board.
What the connection between make out and written on the board?
Make out means to be able to hear or read something.
Oh well, thanks.
9. Don't use take it.
Take it.
Okay.
Don't use take it. Instead, try these better options. 1.
Here you go.
Ah,
2.
Here it is.
thank you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.